So in today's quick tip, I want to show you all how you can copy your photos in your messaging over to the photo library on your Mac desktop. And this is how you do it. So as you see here on my desktop, I have opened up iMessage here. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to copy this picture that is in my messages, and I want to copy that to my photo library. All you have to do is right click on the picture and go down here to add to photos library. Once you do that, if you go down here to photos, you'll see that that picture is now in my photo library. And it's just that quick. Hope you all enjoyed this quick little episode. And if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you next episode. Take care. Bye.